Seeing if you've got a second, I'd like you to take a minute and go over to the show notes. Like I said, theguyrcookreport.podbean.com. Within that, I've got a link to Podchaser, and write us up a review, won't you please? I sure would appreciate it. Hi, let's talk about the free online XML sitemap generator. You're going to have a sitemap if you go into the Google Search Console, and they're going to say, what's your sitemap URL? Well, if you download the XML file that this generator creates, and then you upload it into the regular domain, you'll have the URL to tell the Search Console where it is. So then Google can basically look at the menu of your restaurant, pardon the pun, and know what's going on with your website, what it's about, what the links are contained therein. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy day for this episode of the Guyer Cook Report. And if you're new, you're going to need to be told that the show notes are contained within a link at theguyrcookreport.podbean.com. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.